Greetings and salutation to Dr. Aaina. Today, me as a represent from my group, I would like to present about the manure management from the topic of agriculture and environment. Our group name is Safe and Sound, and our group member was me, Elvian Edmond, BR19160069, and Julian Jr., Rickster Preacher, Natasha binti Nasir, and last Nuriziana binti Karim. Okay, we proceed. First of all, about manure. Manure in agriculture and environment, process involved of manure management that causes greenhouse gases emission. Managing manure reduced to emission can be economically viable or larger enterprise cooperative to capture the methane to generate heat and electricity to supply for our daily uses, such as home, office, and so on. Manage manure to reduce the greenhouse gas emission is livestock from livestock urine and manure a significant source of methane and nitrous oxide when broken down under anaerobic condition. Plus, methane has 20 times and nitrous oxide has nearly 300 times the global warming potential of carbon dioxide. Ruminants excrete 70 to 95% of nitrogen that digest the nitrogen they ingest. Ruminant on large spring pasture commonly ingest protein containing nitrogen. Next, process of nitrous oxide and methane production. First of all, nitrous oxide is generated by nitrification and denitrification, which occur in soil following addition manure. Emission also occur in livestock bedding, and solid manure store. Transformation from ammonium to nitrate via nitrification, a source of nitrous oxide, and produce nitrate, which is the source of nitrogen for denitrification. The biological produce reduction will nitrate the nitrogen molecule gas when N2O is an important product in incomplete denitrification. So that methane from the manure is generated anaerobic decomposition of organic matter in fecal matter and bedding material. This organic compound will be degraded into the compound such as volatile acid by acid to producing bacteria. By the bacteria, we use to volatile acid to produce a methane. Next, nitrous oxide from manure management. Nitrous oxide emission from animal housing and collection yard in animal houses that do not use bedding material, the slurry phases, urines remains in a predominantly anaerobic state with a little opportunity of ammonium being nitrified. Nitrous oxide emission from manure spreading application of manure soil allow NH4+ to be subject anaerobic soil process such as nitrification generate soil nitrate. Potential mitigation, a mitigation method that will potentially affect all phases in manure management, contaminant and optimize of the end content of the diet animal. Livestock slurries can be applied to the surface of the soil either through broadcasting across the surface or in discrete surface band through hoses. Slurries can also be injected into soil of grassland or during the tillage. Solid manure can only be broadcast on the surface of grassland, but as a tillage, there is opportunity to incorporate slurries and manure into the soil. So, application procedure that minimize contact of manure with air tend to reduce ammonia emission. So, in the nutshell, manure management is also important to generate electricity for daily uses, and also the manure management can produce fertilizer for uses of agriculture, for organic farming. Manure is very important in our life to minimize our cost living. That's all from me and our group. Thank you.